Hello, we'll be going over attendance and grade recovery sign-on process. My name is Alicia Flores, and I'll be your facilitating instructor for this training. Some of the questions being asked are, why would my student need to be in this course? If your student has 4 or more absences in a course, they will risk it not receiving credit according to Texas Education Code. Does my student need to be utilizing this Canvas course? If Dr. Barber sent you an email, there is an attached document that you can access. I have a copy of the link here that you can actually go to and see if your student's ID number is located on there. When does attendance school start? Saturday, November 21st, 2020. Where will it take place? All attendance makeup will take place via Zoom and will not be on any of the campuses. How will my student receive information? All information will be gathered in the Attendance School Canvas course page. How will attendance hours be tracked? All of your students' hours will be monitored by instructors and sent in to administrators and updated weekly. How do we enroll? Per the email that Dr. Barber has sent you, you have 2 ways to be able to self-enroll. You can click on either one of those links and be able to utilize it that way. We will go over that a little bit more in depth in just a few minutes. How can I, as a parent, make sure my student is utilizing this opportunity? You can create a parent app pairing code through your student's class, and also create a parent app account to be able to monitor their progress and be able to talk to their teachers. And we will go over a video format of that version. What happens if I can't sign on? You can utilize this video to reference so that you can understand how to actually log on. If you encounter any other advanced issues regarding your device or other software, please contact myself, alicia.flores@gpisd.org, Paige Bassick at gpisd.org, or Andrea Barber at gpisd.org. Attendance and grade recovery help video. We're going to be covering information needed to log on to the Canvas course. You will be needing your student's first and last name and their birthday. The last name needs to be, if a student has 2 last names, the first last name that we'll be using. How to add students to the Canvas course, the 2 ways that were provided for you in the email from Dr. Barber. How can I, as a parent, make sure my student is utilizing this opportunity? Again, we will be going over how to create those parent app account. Attendance and grade recovery help video. You will need your student's information, your student's first name and last name, birthday. This is how we're going to use it. Canvas login is your username, which is your student ID number, and your password, the complex password. And if you notice here, here's an example of it, and we will be going over individually. Your username is your ID number. Your password is this complex password. The complex password is a combination of a student name and your birthday. So you're going to refer to this picture and go in order. The first 2 letters of the first name, the birth year in 4-year digit format, first 2 letters of the last name, and the birth date 2-digit format. As follows, right here are other ways that you can actually log into devices provided by GPISD. First, students should be logged into their Google student profile. So to check that, we will go over here to our Google. This is how you can check it. I'm going to bring over a screen so that you can see this. Here's your profile. It will show if your student is logged in with their personal or their school profile. As an example, I'm logged in with my school profile. It is my first name.last at gpisd.org. Your student will be ID number at gpisd.stu.org. Right here we'll go over these steps again. Open the Google Chrome, hover over the profile icon, and should have student's ID number at gpisdstu.org. Why does this matter? Many of the features are not accessible for your student if they are not in our GPISD network. So that would make them added to us. How to add students to our Canvas course. Make sure you are on the profile, and then you can utilize either one of these two by just clicking on the link, and it should run you straight through the instructions. This one will add you automatically, and this one will ask you for this join code. How can I, as a parent, make sure my student is utilizing this thing and create a pairing account? Be sure to utilize all the technology help videos on the GPISD website. To access those, I'm going to go over these and then I will show you. Go to www.gpisd.org, then select Parents and Students. Under the Parents Resources, select Technology Help, which will have various video trainings that you can utilize. Go to Secondary Videos, grades 6 through 12. These are the topics that we have covered today. How to log on to Canvas for your student. Canvas for Parents, on how to access the pairing app and monitor the progress of your student on Canvas. Let's go ahead and follow these instructions. If you, we'll do a step-by-step, go to gpisd.org, and the next step that we asked you to do is go to gpisd.org, then select Parents and Students. So if you go to the menu, you can select Parents and Students. Then under Parent Resources, select Technology Help. Technology Help. You're going to see all of these videos that are available to you to use. These are all grade levels. Then they're specific to pre-K to 5th grade. We will be accessing secondary videos grades 6 through 12. So we went to Help. Now we're on secondary videos grades 6 through 12. We're going to look at these 3 videos, or these 2 videos, and this PDF guide. We're looking at how to log into Canvas, which is the first thing you need to do for your student. You must utilize the website version, not the application version, in order to get your code, your pairing code. This will be explained to you in this how to log into Canvas. To access it, all you do is click on the topic and a video format will come up. We've gone over how to log into Canvas. Once you click this, you'll get access to that video. Then you can go over Canvas for Parents, same way. If you click on a topic, it will expand it and give you a video format that you can click on. If you prefer to do this version or just have a reference to a PDF guide, you can click right here and access it in English or in Spanish to get the information on how to create a Canvas pairing app on your own. I realized that this was very quick. We had to make it really fast or else the video would not be allowed to go on the email. So I'm sorry I had to go real fast. If you have any additional information, please feel free to rewind, stop, pause, and go over any information that we have gone over. All of the videos in the technology help are available to you. There's a variety of different things that you can actually cover. Thank you very much, and I appreciate your attention.